Ever seen a star sneeze? Not with tissues, but with explosive cosmic force. Some stars spend millions of years building pressure, gas, radiation, magnetic fury, until suddenly, boom, they eject enormous clouds of gas and plasma like a galactic sneeze, blasting material across entire star systems. Red giants do it when they grow unstable, literally shedding their outer layers. Neutron stars? They throw out high-energy bursts so powerful they can warp space and fry electronics from light years away. And even our own sun has sneezing fits. We call them solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These aren't just fireworks. They reshape galaxies. They spread the building blocks of planets, and even life. But they can also wipe out satellites or bathe planets in deadly radiation. So next time you gaze at the stars, remember, even the universe has a nosebleed now and then.